Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is Sir ABEEL Ahmed from ABEEL School of Accountancy. I welcome everyone in our AFM March 2024 orientation. It's going to be a very, very concise orientation in which exactly I'm going to tell you what we offer in AFM. And rest of the details you can also see and watch in our demo lectures. Number one, entire means entire AFM within 90 lectures. And the time period of each lecture is 45 minutes long. So each lecture is just 45 minutes long because I'm not fond of very long lectures. To be very honest, if a lecture goes for 2 hours, even it exceeds, according to me, if the lecture is of 2 hours and beyond that is obviously even the 2 hours lecture, I believe a student cannot sit in front of the screen and watch 2 hours consecutively. So that is why I come up with a solution. The solution is 45 minutes is a very moderate time. It's not very, I would say, long. It's not very short. It's a moderate time. This 45 minutes period basically keeps you motivated so that you can watch the lecture till the end. Okay. So entire AFM within 90 lecture, where each lecture on average is just 45 minutes long. And within these 90 lectures, you have all the articles, recent articles, plus all the practices there. The recent past papers are there. Each and everything is there. Second, product number two. Okay, 90 lecture, 45 minutes means, so let us calculate the time also. How many hours actually you need to take out? 67.5 hours. So in terms of hours, so it means it takes 67.5 hours to complete the course. Okay, second, we will conduct 11 tests. But what is the procedure of the test? Test will be shared with the students. Okay, you have to attempt the test, and after that you have to check the test by yourself. We will give you the video lecture on the test, so you will be getting video lecture on each test. 11 tests with video lectures on each test. Third product is smart revision. Smart revision is around 8.5 hours, which covers all the major areas of AFM. So within it, just by spending 8.5 hours, you can revise a really big chunk of AFM syllabus. Fourth, we will conduct your mock. And this mock with proper mock debrief. Proper mock debrief will be there. And let me tell you one more thing. Okay, on this mock with the debrief, you will get my personal feedback. Mock with my personal feedback. I normally give feedback to each and every student individually. So mock with the debrief with personal feedback. Obviously, whoever has attempted all the 11 tests, and also students, they sit for the mock. Normally, they are the one they can easily pass this AFM. And obviously, the personal feedback gives you a really good idea. If you have any weaknesses, still you will be having time to, overcome your weaknesses. Normally, we conduct mock 15 days before the exam, so that even after giving the mock, a student, they should have enough time to overcome their weaknesses. And the magical product of our AFM is a very magical product. What is that magical product? Let me tell you. The product number 5 of AFM is a magical product. This magical product will increase the passing percentage, I would say, beyond your imagination. Already, alhamdulillah, we have a well track record of beating ACCA passing rate, because ACCA is somewhere around 45% and we are standing somewhere between 75 to 80% passing rate. But this time, due to this product number 5, which is going to be a really unique product, to be very honest, the passing rate is going to be really high, inshallah. Now, you might be thinking, what is this unique product number 5? There are so many question marks. Actually, the product number 5, which actually will definitely increase the passing percentage, there's no doubt about it. This product I'm going to announce only to those my students, they are enrolled with me in AFM, in my relevant WhatsApp group. But this product will be the game changer, to be very honest. Never introduced this product. March 24 is the first attempt we are introducing this product. So this product is going to be the game changer. When I say, I mean that seriously. So, okay. Now, if you really want to, another thing which I always tell my students, that I always teach from zero. I always assume students, they don't carry any previous knowledge. So don't worry at all. Previously, whenever you have studied basic financial management, one you have studied whenever, no issue at all. Even you have taken exemption and you're directly attempting AFM, still you should not be having a problem at all. I'll make sure that. Because I always teach from zero means zero. I teach from scratch. Because I always assume students, they don't carry any previous knowledge. For this evidence, you can please do watch my demo lectures. They will give you a really good idea about the teaching style. So finally, I'm just sharing the WhatsApp number of our ASA admin number. For further queries, you can obviously contact. For outside Pakistan, it is 0092 333 666 And those students, they are within Pakistan, it is 0333 666 And let me tell you one thing, to be very honest, in AFM Financial Management, alhamdulillah, we have produced number of position holders, including the world position holder. So we have the honor and the pride of in producing world position holders in AFM, alhamdulillah. So you should not be worried about anything at all. You will be getting proper guidance relating to each and everything. That is why I'm saying, just watch my demo lectures. They will give you a really good idea. How will you get the 20 professional marks? I've covered each and everything in my demo lectures. So I would insist, do watch my demo lectures. They will give you a really good idea about our advanced financial management, how actually we teach. We will show you a really good, we will give you a quality which you might have never experienced before, seriously. So I would say one thing, thank you very much for watching this AFM March 2024 orientation. But to get more insight, do watch the demo lecture, so you should have a really good idea. So thank you very much for watching this AFM orientation March 2024. Thanks a lot and have a nice life.